Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on liquid glass on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to turn on liquid glass on your iPhone in iOS 26, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general. Then you have to go to software update, and from here you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So I do this, and after this go back, and now you have to go back again, and now go to accessibility, and now you have to go to display and text size. And now if you see the reduce transparency toggle on, you have to simply turn it off. So guys, if this toggle is on, you have to simply turn it off, and after this go back, and now here you can see this, the liquid glass feature is working right now on my iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also turn on liquid glass feature on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.